Hi, Ngok. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today? Are you happy today? Oh, happy,
Yes.
happy today. Sure.
Yes.
What
Yes.
what did you eat for today?
I eat for rice and egg.
Oh, rice and egg. Like this egg. Let
Rice.
me like this egg, like that.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
really? Really? Wow, so delicious. And did I already ask you how are you today? It's a ghost. Are you not scared of ghosts? You're not scared of ghosts.
No. I
No?
scared go.
Oh, you are scared of ghosts?
Yes.
Oh
I
no.
scared.
I'm scared. Okay. Instead of saying I scared, we say I'm. I'm scared. Okay.
I'm scary.
Very good. Why are you scared of ghosts? They are not real. Have you seen one?
Hmm.
Have you seen a ghost before? Huh?
Before.
Okay, it's okay to be scared. It's normal. Okay, so now are you ready to continue our reading lesson? So we will read and read and read again in this lesson. But I think we are close to finishing this lesson. So are you ready? Ready, ready?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so again, so to have a quick review, so let's review the what happened last time in our story. So we have here Lottie and
Lottie.
yes, Lottie, and who is this horse? Who is this horse? Hmm,
Sister.
very good. Wow. So Chester and Lottie. So
What is this?
where?
What is this?
Where? Can you circle? This one
Yes.
or this one? This one or the person?
Is
The one on their head? The person. So they are the guards. We call them as guards. So they are the one who protects people that rides on the train. They are the guards. Yes. Okay, so to have a quick review, so Chester and Lottie, they saw that there were blocks that are blocking the train's way. That's why. So the toys, they help the toys remove the blocks. Okay, so again, what happened, Ngok? What did
hmm?
they do? What did they do? They remove. What did they do? They remove the blocks. Okay, let me just remove something. So they remove the blocks. So Lottie and Chester and the toys, they help each other to remove the blocks. Okay, and what happened? So they successfully removed the blocks out of the way, and so they were able to ride the train again. And Lottie said goodbye to Chester. So again, Ngok, what happened? What happened in our story last time? What happened? What happened?
Oh.
What happened in this picture? This one.
Huh?
What?
Uh, let's see. Uh,
Lottie and Chester
and Jester is
is. Oh no, you're not listening. You're not listening. So in this story, in this part of the story, Lottie and Chester are saying goodbye to each other because Lottie will.
goodbye.
Yes,
Goodbye.
goodbye.
Goodbye. See
So
you
they
again.
I'll see you
Goodbye.
again. No, we are not Lottie and Chester. Okay, so Lottie says goodbye to Chester because she rides the train, and Chester will go to his important task. And so Lottie ride the train with the toys to go to, what is this? What event is this? It's the hmm,
The
it's the what?
green,
It's
green.
grand. Very good. Grand opening. It's the grand opening. Okay, so now let's read this part of the lesson. Okay, this one, the train. So let's read
Uh,
the train
the train big, 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 big,
began
began to chug
mhm,
along the track once more and all the past singers
passengers.
passengers
Okay, very good.
trip
Cheered,
trip
cheered,
trip
cheered. No, not tread. Cheered.
cheered
Okay, very good, very good. Next, as
they hit it
okay, for
for the 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 the, the,
theater.
the theater.
Okay, very good. So again, let's read these words again. This one, let's say chug, chug.
Choose
Okay, next is passengers. Let's say passengers.
passenger
Cheered.
cheered
Theater.
theater.
Okay, again, can you read these words? Ngok. This one. How do you read this word?
Yeah,
Chug.
you
Okay, again, how do you read this? How do you read?
yeah.
Very good. Next is, how about this one? How do you read this one?
Pass
Pass. What? Pass what? Pass and
suggest.
very good. Again, how do you read this one?
Huh?
How do you read?
Passengers
How do you read? Read again. Pa.
passenger.
Okay, very good. Next, how about this? How about this? Theater.
Theater.
Okay, again, let's read again. This one, this word. Let's start with this word.
Jug.
Very good. How about this?
Passengers.
Very good. How about this?
Cheered.
Not cheered, cheered.
Cheered.
Okay, again, let's start again because you have a mistake. Let's read this one.
Jug.
Okay. Next is,
Passengers.
next is,
Truck.
cheered. Not trod, cheered.
Cheered.
Okay. Okay, again, let's start again. Not until you correct this one. This one is,
Jug.
okay, next is,
Passengers.
next is, very good.
Uh, theater. Theater.
Very good. Theater. Wow, good job. Okay. So next, let's move on to the next part of the story. Let's read. Read.
Read. Huh? The other
This one. Lottie.
Lottie and the toy arrived. Arrived.
Ar- mhm,
Arrived
mhm. Okay, go on.
to
Continue.
a hot
Mhm,
count.
mhm.
Uh,
Go. You can do it. What's the next word? Ka.
the
Gathered.
gathered
Okay, next is
outside um outside
very good. Outside.
inside the theater.
Very good. Next.
There was a red ribbon escort
Mhm,
the door, and everyone was buzzing with excitement.
mhm,
A trumpet played, and everyone felt set.
mhm. Well, what's the last word?
Set.
Okay, so let's read these words again. Okay, let's start with this one. Can you read this word again? This one?
Okay. Arrived.
Okay, let's say arrived. Arrived.
Arrive.
Very good. How do you read this one again?
Arrive.
Okay, very good. Next, how about this? How about
Huh?
this?
Huh?
Let's say huge.
You.
Okay, let's read this first word again. Let's say, what's this word? What's this word?
River.
Okay, again. Is it arrived? Let's say arrived. Arrived.
Arrive.
Okay, again.
Arrive.
Okay, how about this? Huh?
Huh? Huh?
Okay, again. Huge. Huge.
Huge.
Okay, let's start again. This one is,
Uh,
what's this? How do you read this one?
rich.
Arrived. Again, arrived.
Arrive.
Okay, again, how do you read this?
Arrive.
Next is
Hot.
huge.
Huge.
Okay, again, let's practice. Arrived, huge. Arrived, huge.
Arrive. Hood. Arrive.
Huge. Not huge. Huge. No,
Huge.
yes, very good. Arrived, huge. Okay,
Arrive.
uh-huh.
Huge.
Okay, again.
Arrive. Huge. Arrive.
Okay.
Huge.
Okay, very good. Perfect. How about this one? This one.
Count.
Okay, let's say crowd.
Crowd.
Very good. Again, how do we read this one?
Um,
This one? What's this?
um,
What's this? How do we read this? Ah,
with.
arrived. Okay, again, arrived.
Arrive.
Next is
Hot.
Huge. Oh no.
Huge.
Next is
Count.
crowd.
Crowd.
Okay, again, let's start with the first one. Make sure to listen. Listen to the sound so you will be able to remember it. Okay, again.
Arrive.
Arrived. Not arrived. Arrived.
Alright.
Okay, again.
Alright.
Next is
Huge.
huge. Not huge. Huge. No H. Don't include the H. Huge.
Huge.
Okay. Next is
Ground.
crowd.
Ground.
Okay, so we'll repeat it again. So, not until you get the correct pronunciation, we will not be able to finish this. Okay, let's start again. What's this? It's okay. We're practicing your pronunciation. What's this?
Ar.
Arrived.
Arrive.
Next is
Arch.
huge.
Huge.
Okay, again, let's read or let's practice this. Arrived, huge crowd. Arrived,
Arrive.
huge crowd.
Huge. Ground. Arrive. Huge. Round.
Okay,
Arrive.
crowd, not crown. Crowd. Letter D.
Round.
Crowd. D.
Round up.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, again, let's read this one.
Uh,
Alright. What's this? What's this? We will not be able to finish if you will not say it correctly. Okay, let's read this one. Alright. What's this?
Arrive.
Very good.
Arch.
Huge. What? Huge. Are you hearing teacher saying huge?
Huge.
Okay, again, let's start with the first one. If, first, let's read. First, what's this? How do we read this word? How do you read? How do we read this word? Where are you now? Oh no. How?
Arf.
Arrive. Very good. Next is, what's this?
Touch.
Huh? It's hedge. Are you
Watch.
Wudge? Is it wudge?
Arch.
Huge, not hudge. Huge, huge.
Huge.
Okay,
Huge.
let's start again. Let's start again with the first word. You-
R.
go. You can do it. You can do it.
Hmm.
So we will not learn if you if you keep saying the same word. What? How do we read this? It's okay, no.
Yeah.
Ah, what's this? Ah, what's this? What's this? How do we read? Okay, again, let's say arrived. Huge crowd. Okay, how about you? Can you try?
Watch. Watch. Ground.
Okay, again.
Alright. Arch.
Huge. Not och.
Huge.
Again. First.
Alright. You
Very good, very
earth,
good. Huge.
huge, ground.
Very good. So again, last time. Last time. How do we say this? Make it correct. You can do it.
Uh, uh,
Yes, very good.
uh,
Go, go, go. What's this? Mm,
earth,
hmm?
earth,
Again, how do we say it? Ah, ah. You can do it. You can do it. How do
uh,
how do we say it?
uh,
What?
uh, 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 a reef,
Okay. Arrived, not arrived. Arrived. Again.
alright.
Okay, again, how do we read this one? What's this?
Alright,
Okay, next is
what?
huge, not watch. Huge. Don't read it with the words. Listen.
Huge.
Yes, listen to how teacher says it and try to remember or recall it in your mind. So again, arrived, huge crowd. Again, yeah, your turn.
Huge.
This one. Yes, very good. That's right. How about this one? It's okay. This one. What's this? Go. What's this? Let's read. For you to be able to practice your reading skills.
Earth,
This one is,
earth,
okay, again, arrived, huge crowd. Arrived, huge crowd. So again, how about you? Your turn. Your turn. How do we read this? What's this? Oh no, no one's answering. We will not be able to finish this. Oh no.
a reef,
Oh, is it arrived? How do I say it? Is it arrived or arrived?
alright.
Oh, okay. So let's be serious because we are practicing your reading skills. Okay. Again, listen. Listen to teacher and look at the box. Okay. Arrived, huge, crowd. Again.
Alright, you, brown,
Okay, one last time. If you make it correct this time, we will move on to the next words.
alright, watch,
Okay, it's okay.
ground,
Okay, so make sure next time you will say this as huge, not watch. Huge. Okay? Okay, make sure to practice that word. Next, how about this? How do you read this one? This one. What's this? How do we read this one? Mm, How do
get,
we read?
get,
Ah,
get the
very good. Gathered. Let's say gathered.
gather,
Very good. That's so nice. How about this one? How
start,
do we? This one?
escort,
Okay, let's say across.
cross,
Across. Across.
cross,
Okay, how about this? This one is, how do we read this?
gather,
Very good. Next is
start,
across.
cross,
Okay, again, let's start with this one.
Scattered. Escort.
Okay, again. Let's say ak. Ak. Ros. Ak. Ros.
Cross.
Akros.
Across.
Akros. Very good, very good. Again, how do you read this one?
Across.
This one is
Scattered.
very,
Scattered.
very good. Next is
Escort.
very good. Across. Okay, next. How about this one?
Buzzing.
Okay, let's say it as buzzing.
Buzzing.
Okay, let's read this one. This one is what's this?
Scattered. Gathered.
Gathered. Very good.
Escort.
Across.
Squirrel.
Okay. How do we read this one? Okay, again, listen to teacher.
Buzzing. Buzzing.
Very good, very good. Buzzing. How about this?
Escort.
Not escort. Across. Across.
Across.
Very good. Across. Okay, again. Let's read.
Buzzing.
Next is.
Gathered.
Next is. What's
Cross.
this?
Across.
Very good. Good job. Okay, next. This one. Let's proceed to the next word. What's this? What's this?
It's in the ment.
Okay, again, let's say excitement. Excitement.
Excitement.
Very good. Again, excitement.
Excitement.
Okay, next. This one.
Player.
Okay, let's say played.
Played.
Very good. Again, let's read this word. How do we read this one?
It's the
Excitement.
excitement.
Okay, next.
Player.
Okay, again, this one. Let's go back to this.
X-Men.
Excitement.
Excitement.
Okay, again, this one.
Player.
Okay, played, not play it. Played.
Play.
This one is
Excitement. Play.
very good. And next is
Fell.
very good. Fell, not felt. Okay, next is okay, we say this as silent. Silent.
Silent.
Okay, let's start with this one.
Excitement. Play. Fell sun.
Silent.
Science.
Silent.
Science.
Not cyan. Okay, lent.
Learn.
Very good. Silent.
Silent.
Okay, let's start with this again. What's this?
Excitement.
Excitement. Okay, let's say it 3 times. Excitement, excitement, excitement.
Excitement. Excitement. Excitement.
Next is,
Play.
next is,
Bells. Silence.
very good. Silent, very good. Okay, so good job. Good job, Ngok. So good job for trying your best in our reading skills because I can see. So you can definitely do it with repeat or repetitive practice. So for this one, you just need to practice all of the words that we had learned today, okay? So that you will be able
Yeah.
to, okay, so that you will be able to read it as correctly as you did today. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for your time today. I appreciate your effort, Ngok, and goodbye. See you again.
Bye. See you again.
See you next Monday.
Bye.
Bye bye.